Alright. I haven't recorded in Grand Haven yet, so I don't know. I'm sure anybody that's been around my channel long is probably fucking sick of this place, but the new people don't know. Oh, my bike's not even turned on. I was just gonna rev it to go, and I was like, wait a minute, something's not right. Let's hit it. Our normal cruising bullshit begins. Where we have shit else to do in this fucking town but look at things. The same 5 things over and over again. Our normal people aren't here yet that like these things. It's just the older people right now. They're probably like, man, these fucking kids. You know my brother. Yeah. I'm gonna get in your lane really quick. Yeah, floor it. No, don't floor it. I like it how we've come to like a going right here, a fucking like unanimous unspoken decision. See a scooter, full send. I didn't even pop a wheelie. I just fucking sank the rear suspension as far down as it could probably go. God damn it. Every fucking time, without fail. God damn. I don't know if we're like heavy enough to trigger this thing though. Okay. Are you crying over there? Looks like you're crying, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. What the fuck? That's why I come here. I don't come here to cruise the same strip 16 times without looking at some women. Oh yeah, but those are always here though. The women change every time you turn around. You said you're cold? Oh, really? That's a nice car right there. I'll tell you what. No, man, that Mustang, brother. There's fucking sand right there. I'm gonna go slow. Sand is, I'm like Anakin Skywalker. Sand is my natural enemy. Truck backing up. Well, there goes our corner. Our singular corner in this entire city. Damn it. You know, some people always like, or I've seen some people talk about how people can like talk for so long when they ride instead of just enjoying the ride. I wonder if they realize that like 90% of just enjoying the ride gets cut out of motovlogs. I'm rolling on fucking 4 cans of Monster Energy. I'm chattery and I'm tired, so it's like a good combination. Cause I say the, you know, no. Aw. Oh, this road sucks right here. Fuck, it wasn't this bad a couple years ago. Yeah, this is where we got some sound clips when you still had the Magna. I always edit these videos with headphones in on my computer. So, like, I always hear what you say, unless it's like a high speed or your visor's up or my visor's up at the same time and it's just indistinguishable, you know? And I really hope that the people watching the videos I put out can hear you too, like I can hear you, instead of just like, man, he's talking to himself again with some Oh, when you watch my videos? Well, that's good. That's reassuring. Make a donation. I have a penny. Will that count? Just cut straight across. Fuck it. Why not, right? Unless you want to go right. No, I'm kidding. Let's go left here. Left, yes. Yeah, let's wait for the couple to go though. The fuck is that? That car back there, it's a Honda something or another. Yeah. Hey, what do you mean, huh? She... Nice. Oh man, okay, on the left here, they're fucking watering the road. Nope, not really. That's it. Oh, I can't leave you because that car is getting close. It's like I'm leaving you. Pussy. Again? Another one? No. On today's funny moments, Mackinacrider gets fucking ran over again. There goes a Mustang. He didn't do it, damn it. I had the crackle going and everything, and he didn't rev back. Right, and then stick to the right, so we follow that like little side road bullshit to the bitch. Get off my shit. What were you fucking standing at? Did you put my fucking peg down? You little shit, you did. So let's go left here. This is such a fucking weird ass intersection. What the hell? Put it back. I don't think it's wrong. You know, I hate it how like anytime we go fast, it doesn't look like shit on the GoPro. It just looks like we're cruising, you know? Alright, let's go left out of here though. Let's see what's up that way. Anyway, glove off. Yeah. Well, I mean, good news is we're only 40 minutes from the place I get pierced at, so I mean... yeah. Oh, the kid's videoing us. On other side, other shoulder. Other shoulder. What'd you do? Hell yeah.